Okay, welcome back, guys. Today our Chef Eden will be preparing and making these Vietnamese spring rolls. Do I got that right, hon?
Yes.
Okay. So she just rolled one. Maybe she would be kind enough to give us a rundown of what she just put inside there.
Okay. What I put inside is this one. I got cucumbers, carrots, boiled shrimp, and then chopped coriander leaves and mint.
Mint.
Yes.
What kind of leaves?
Coriander leaves and mint.
Coriander?
Yeah.
Okay.
Cilantro.
Cilantro.
Yes.
Got it. Cucumber. So cilantro, mint leaves,
And
cucumber,
carrots, fresh carrots.
fresh carrots,
And then boiled shrimp.
boiled shrimp.
Yes.
Okay, so you boiled that beforehand.
Yeah.
And then we have kind of a
This and then the vermicelli noodles and
this is the vermicelli noodles.
yeah,
Is
boiled.
that there?
I boiled it.
Okay. And this here is
The sauce made of lime juice, brown sugar, fish oil, and chili.
And this, what kind of lettuce is that again? Do you remember?
I forgot.
Okay. That's kind of like a romaine. I've seen
Yes,
it.
romaine lettuce.
Okay, romaine lettuce.
Yes.
All right, and then we have the wrappers.
This is the wrapper. This is the dry one. You need to dip first in a warm water.
Can I see what the cover? That's what it looks like. Yeah, these wrappers are kind of fragile.
Mm-hmm.
We had a breakup earlier. We had to stop the filming, stop the video because tearing apart these wrappers is pretty easy to do.
Stick.
Yeah.
Just like this. Very easy. Then put some. You see, it's sticking.
Yeah.
Even break.
So what's the key to doing this without breaking the wrapper? Just put some water on the plate?
Yeah. No, you just dip in a warm water.
Okay.
But you have to be very careful for that.
And kind of fast also before they dry up on you.
Dry up and stick on the plate. Uh-oh.
Oh, doesn't sound good. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Well, check this out. Let's
See my other shrimp balls.
That's pretty slick. What are we dipping these in when we go to eat them?
We're going to dip in this sauce.
That sauce right there. And that's a lime.
Lime juice,
Okay.
fish sauce,
Fish sauce.
and brown sugar and peanut.
Alright.
This is so fragile, so you need to be very careful.
So you're just wetting the whole thing down very carefully.
Some wedges again.
Back up so I can kind of get a full view of what's going on out here. So, how many times do you think you've made these? Quite a few, or
Quite a few already.
last time? When's the last time you?
When I was at my previous job,
Oh, okay.
we served this.
Because I don't recall you ever making these, so this is
Not yet.
kind of cool.
This is our first time to eat this. Wait, I go and take.
Okay, we'll pause for a second. Okay, so we're back. Do a few more of these, kind of give you an idea of how it's done. And we'll probably call it good after that.
Yeah, we're going to have more.
So I know you can't see it because it's on a white plate, but there is a shell, or I keep saying shell, a wrapper.
Wrapper.
She made it wet before she put it on the plate. Otherwise, it'll tear up. It's a very thin, very fragile wrapper, so gotta be very careful and treat these things very gingerly.
You need to be very, very careful. Takes time.
Yeah, I was gonna say that seems to be the biggest challenge so far is wrapping these without tearing the wrapper up.
Mm-hmm. If you don't really know how to do it,
Make a mess real quick, huh?
better don't do it.
Yeah. And one thing we're finding is that when she finishes wrapping these things and sticks them on the plate, you can't let them touch each other. Otherwise, the wrappers will. When you try to pull them apart, the wrappers will rip.
They stick together.
Yeah. So I guess I never realized it was such a
Kind of wrapper like this.
delicate process.
Because this one they made it made of rice.
Yeah.
That's right.
Rice paper.
Yeah,
All
made
right.
from rice.
We'll show how to do one more, and then we will come back afterwards with the,
Another video.
or actually come back and just kind of show the whole plate once they're wrapped up. What do you think, hon?
Yeah, I will
Okay.
do some more.
Let's move around here a little bit.
Maybe you're wondering why I didn't use gloves. Because the gloves really stick on the wrapper.
Yeah.
So
Oh, I
you
believe
need,
it.
you need to do it bare hand.
Yeah.
Unlike the lumpia wrapper, Philippine lumpia wrapper, that they are dry and moist.
Mm-hmm.
This one is really dry, but you need to dip in the water, so it will melt down.
Sure.
breaks already. See?
Did it break?
Yeah, one of them.
Oh no.
I'm going to eat that. I'm hungry, you know.
Yeah.
I'm on fasting, 18 hours fasting, so
Yeah.
making this food makes me crave.
I know. We always tend to make these videos right at the end of our fast, and it's very, very difficult to go through this and be on 18 hours of no food.
Imagine that, 18 hours.
Yeah.
Can you guys do it?
Yeah, right. And then we're sitting here making these videos.
We're fasting, but we still need to go to the gym to work out.
Yeah.
You see, it will stick on my hand. I made 6, but the other one broke.
Okay, that's fine. They all look great. I know it's not easy to do. So what I'm thinking is we'll go ahead and come back after we get these completed and just kind of show you how many we made and how far these ingredients actually went as far as quantity of rolls. So, okay, that's what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and pause it right now and we'll come back here in a little bit. All right, so we're back. We managed to, Chef Eden managed to roll up about 14 Vietnamese spring rolls.
Only for us.
Only for us. So, I think, 14? Did we get 14 out of that batch of...
8, 10, 12, 14, yes.
So we got 14 spring rolls out of the shrimp and the vegetables that we had cut up, and it was a bit of a process. This is kind of a lot to take in, especially for someone that's never done it before, like myself. We don't have very many subscribers, very few, and we hardly get that many views. So by all means, if you have any questions, anything, leave it in the comments down below. Yeah, down in the comments section. We'll be more than happy to answer whatever questions you may have. Because again, this is kind of one of those things that we don't see every day, or we don't do every day. So, anyways, there you have it. 14 spring rolls.
Enjoy your spring roll, huh? Fresh spring roll. Vietnamese fresh spring roll.
I definitely will. I thank you.
Breaking our fasting for 18 hours.
That's it. That's it. Okay, hon. Any final thoughts?
No more. I'm going to have another thing to do. We're going to grill chicken kebab or chicken skewers after this. So I have no more to say.
Okay.
Thank you for watching.
Yeah. Thanks, hon. We'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. All right. Bye bye.